Guys, I'm using this crappy model to trade for gold again. Guys, I've finally hit 100,000 followers. Look at what they're saying. I won't say too much. Hello, boss, and the boss's wife. What are you doing? Sorry about that, boss. This is my hat. I rode a shared bike this morning, but it was too cold, so I wore a hat. Sorry, boss, my apologies. I almost called the police. Sorry about that. Are you here to buy gold? Boss, here's the thing. Can I trade a model for something in your store? No way. Gold is so expensive. It's around 1,200 per gram now. 1,200 per gram, right? That's right. But that one was custom made for you. A custom model. Even a custom 1:1 model? No way. Really not? Absolutely not. No. What about trading for silver then? Silver is quite expensive too. How much per gram now? Around 30. 30 per gram. Yes. Alright then. Handsome, bring it over for a look. That model you mentioned, I haven't made it yet. Why talk about it if it's not made? Are you serious? Okay, I'll make a good one. Once it's done, how long should I bring it to you? Probably 1 or 2 weeks. Should be ready before the new year. Then bring it over for a look. Okay, thanks, boss. Alright. Many fans ask what printer I use each episode. I mostly use the Bambu Lab P2S. For a model maker like me, it's really worry-free. Prints rarely fail, the resolution is high, and it meets all my detail needs. If you're looking for a reliable 3D printer, you might want to check it out. Shouldering my backpack. The moment I left home, I knew life had many twists. If you see me, don't be too cold. I'm sentimental, but passionate, carefree and rushed. I lost track of updates. Here. Hello, boss. Hello, boss. Yes, I said I'd make you a model. It's done. Is it ready? Let me see. Great. I made a model of your shop. Look. Hey, exactly the same. Wow, look, it's so realistic. It's like a miniature of my shop. Hey, yes. It's a 1:1 scale model. Even the 3 heads are there. Look, the layout is identical. Even the air processor inside is there. So cute. This means a lot to me. Did it take you long? Been doing this for over a decade now. Oh, you're in the gold business, right? Yes, that's right. You mentioned wanting to exchange something, right? Yeah, exactly. Just see what you can exchange it for. Take a look. Have a look. Hey, this one? No way, that's definitely not possible. That thing's worth tens of thousands. Oh, alright, you can look around here. What about this one? Is this okay? Is this a gold bar, or is it just 1 gram? A small gold flake, 1 gram. Oh right, even 1 gram is about 1,200. So, exchange this for that? I feel like it doesn't make much sense for me. Can I really exchange it? Yes, really. You won't press that alarm button, will you? No, I won't. I really like this one. Alright then. Great, I'll be on my way then. Okay, it's fine. No problem. Thanks, boss. Thank you, boss. I'm off now. Bye-bye. This exchange was successful. Guys, brothers, another successful gold exchange.